push through some pieces?
Yeah, two?
Sure.
All right.
Is it running or not yet?
Yeah.
Man, you're tall.
I got here somewhere. Maybe on this side.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
we'll all stand over here.
Yeah. More of my buddy Andrew Stone, the Double Days.
Couple days.
This first one is titled Escape to Nature. There are times when you desire a quiet place, far away from noisy streets, a quiet place surrounded by nature's beauty. You can sit back and sing by a creek, being away from polluted skies. The shade beneath the trees is refreshing. The sun shines brightly in the sky as a cool, gentle breeze blows. Listen as the voice of nature speaks to you. Birds chirp and sing. The fish jump up high in the water. And the squirrels run up and down the trees. Escaping to this quiet place gives a renewed sense of peace, love, and inspiration for poetry, music, and life. This second one is titled The Air We Breathe. Looking out of the window as the sun is rising in the east, a shadow is cast throughout the valley of solitude. The air is clear and pure on a bright and early summer morning. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in the air of the warriors of yesterday past, before the smog of factories and vehicles then polluted the air. Take a walk filled with mist and enjoying the smell of the roses and fresh cut grass. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a long breath while in the garden. Feel the air flowing down your throat, swirling in your lungs and coming back out. Clear your mind of all thoughts. Let it flow into an endless nothingness. Close your eyes and listen as your heart beats. Whisper to me of the bravery that nature has to offer. We are dependent on the air we breathe, even as man is destroying it with chemicals. Enjoying the scenery while walking along the twisted path, watching the birds fly around, playing tag without any words, noticing how nature works just by being alert to the quietness. The air is full of dreams, particles, and all that God has placed for the imagination to focus upon. Looking up as the sun starts to beam its heart directly overhead. The sky is bright blue with only a few clouds. Breathe in, breathe out, as long as we can. Thank you. Andrew and I, we play some time whenever we both are in Austin at Kickbook. And you can find me on Instagram. You can find my books, 10 of them, on Amazon. And Goodreads. Thank you, Andrew.
Thanks, Birdman, dude. I wish I was that tall. It would be a whole different world. Oh my god, we got time for some more stuff. That was so cool. Thanks, Birdman, for coming out. Birdman.